Don't forget to check out my giveaway video, guys. This will be my run to 250 subs. Prizes are written right there. And good luck to everyone in the giveaway. What is going on, Pokemon fans? And welcome to another Pokemon opening. So, as you see on your screen, I do have a Charizard EX box. As you know, some of you know, Charizard is my favorite Pokemon. And Charizard will always be my favorite Pokemon. So, I was very reluctant on opening this box. However, I have two of these. I bought two of these, so one will be in my closet inside of a bin. And here's the other one. So I'll be opening up this box while the other stays in my closet for years. So before we get into that, I'm still selling these mini packs right here. You know, they're like that Dollar Tree pack that you guys see. But, you know, I am in Hawaii, so we don't have that here. So I am selling these mini booster packs for 75 cents if anyone still wants to buy it. I greatly appreciate it. You can email me. My email will be in the description below, as I do every single video. So yeah. So Charizard box. EX box. So it comes with a foil promo card featuring Charizard EX, an oversized card of Charizard EX, 4 Pokemon TCG booster packs, and a code card for the Pokemon trading card game online. Wow. Alright, here it is in its glory. So let's open this box up. Here it is in this plastic. Alright. So there's the Charizard. I will leave the Charizard in there for now. I will show you guys the oversized card. The oversized Charizard card. So pretty much the same thing as the regular size card, just bigger. Bigger. Lovely. That is so lovely. Don't you guys just adore that? I know I do. So we got two evolutions, Fates Collide and a Steam Siege. Put this back on there. Alright. And the code card, I'll be keeping that. So, booster packs, Fates Collide, Evolution, Steam Seed, and a Steam Siege, and another Evolutions. So, out of this box, I am hoping to pull an EX card or a full art. But an EX most likely. That's what I'm hoping to pull out of this Charizard box. Alright, so, first pack is that Fates Collide pack, yeah? Alright. Oops. Code card on the side. And that's 3, yeah. Alright. So, first card is a Wormadam, Loudred, Bent Spoon, Spoink, Solosis, and a Shoulder, a Binacle, Riolu, Minccino, a Reverse Braxian Uncommon, and a Snorlax. So nothing in the first pack. On to the next. Next is Evolutions with a Raichu on the cover. On the pack, Come on, open it. Open it without breaking the pack. Alright, let's push this out. Push! Oh well, just break the pack already. Alright, cards are out. Then 3 in the plant. We got a Coughing Switch Trainer, Metapod, Poliwag, Caterpie, a Diglett, a Voltorb, Machop, a Reverse Energy Retrieval, and the rare. Hey, it's a Charizard EX. Awesome. Awesome. We got a Charizard EX in a Charizard EX box. What a coincidence is that? Lovely, just lovely, darling. Let's put the smaller one back here. I don't know why I'm whispering. So that was from the Raichu Evolutions pack. Alright. So, on to the Steam Siege pack. Open. Oh. Alright. Take out the code. Then 3 in the front, 2 and 1. Alright. Zweilous. A Ninja Boy. Drifloon. A Drifloon. I like when these happen. Oh my goodness. It's so funny. It's so funny. A Drifloon. A Seedot. A Fletchling. A Clauncher. A Apom. Blastodon. A Bastiodon. A Bastiodon, which is a reverse rare. Man, I had a hard time saying that. And a reverse Xerneas. Nice. 2 rares in a pack, which is always nice to pull. And this Xerneas is a pretty good card too. So let's sleeve that up. Let me get my sleeves. Upside down. Yep, that was upside down. So Blastodon. And we got that Xerneas. Geomancy. Nice. Alright, so on to the last and final pack of this box. What can we get out of Evolutions? Can we get another Charizard, hopefully? Maybe a full art. Or maybe this will be a dud. But hey, it is possible. Which would be awesome if we do, though, you know? Alright, so that's out of the way. Then 3, 2, and 1. Professor Oak's Hint. Metapod. Devolution Spray. Charmander. Seal. Magnemite. Gastly. A Poliwag. A Misty's Determination, but I would prefer the other one instead. And a Electrode. So nothing there, guys. Alright. Wasn't that a fun opening? So we got a Charizard EX, a Xerneas Hollow, and a Bastiodon, reverse rare. And don't forget, you know, that we did get the Charizard promo. You know, I'll take that out after. But all in all, guys, awesome pulls from the Charizard EX box. It would have been cool if we got 2 Charizards in the Charizard box. Wait, no. Did I? I mean 3. The promo plus 2 in the packs. But yeah, so. But yeah, guys, all in all, it was a good box, you know. And I really want to open the other one, but I'm gonna just keep that there, you know. Alright, so see you guys tomorrow for another video. Maybe not tomorrow, I don't know. Depends on how busy I am with cleaning up and whatnot. So I will see you guys maybe the next day. Alright, guys. Sorry, I burped. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you guys disliked it, leave a dislike. If you are new to my channel, click that subscribe button for more openings. And I will see you guys later.